Chapter 1, Lesson 4, Changes in Matter. After this lesson, you'll be able to explain what a physical change is, explain what a chemical change is, and describe how energy changes when matter changes. What happens to a substance in a physical change? You've already learned the meaning of physical property and chemical property. You can use those definitions to help you understand physical change and chemical change. A physical property is a property of matter that you can observe without changing the substance into something else. During a physical change, the substance remains the same substance after the change occurs. It changes form or appearance. For example, when you dissolve sugar in water, the water tastes sweet. It tastes just like the sugar. If the water dries up, the sugar will remain. So dissolving is a physical change. There's a key concept in this section that states a substance that undergoes a physical change is still the same substance after the change. Change of state. Another example of a physical change is dry ice. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. When dry ice comes in contact with room temperature air, it changes from the solid form to the gas form, and that is the smoke you see coming off of the solid. This is also a physical change because the dry ice is changing state from a solid to a gas, but it is still carbon dioxide in either state. Here's a question for you. When water is boiled, it changes from a liquid to a gas. When an electric current is passed through water, the gases hydrogen and oxygen form. Which change is a physical change? Why is the other not a physical change? Changes in shape or form. Changes such as chopping, sanding, breaking, crushing, bending, sculpting, peeling, and filtering are physical changes. Anything that changes the shape or form of matter is also a physical change. If you're confused about identifying a physical change, ask yourself, is the substance still the same after the change? We'll do a quick lab. What is a physical change? During the lab, you're going to have to follow all the safety procedures. You're going to have to wear an apron. You need scissors. And we are going to separate a liquid. Separating it is an example of a physical change. We're going to use the method of paper chromatography. It's a method of separating parts of a mixture of liquids based on their solubility in a solution. In this case, it's going to be the solubility in water.